melted.
What did?
It slowly melted.
What did?
The cheese.
On what?
On my chicken chest.
Your chicken breast?
Chest.
Your chicken breast?
I don't eat chest.
Your chicken breast?
I don't eat body parts. I really don't.
But you eat a chest.
I don't eat livers.
But you eat chicken breast. But you eat chicken breast.
Chest.
You eat chicken breast.
I eat chicken chest.
Was it a good chicken breast?
Yes.
A chicken boob?
No. It was a chest.
You know, a chest is a body part. You realize that.
Well, like pheasant. It's a bird.
Okay.
They don't say.
But they have breasts.
But they don't. No menu will say pheasant chest.
Because it
Boob.
says pheasant breast.
No.
Yeah, it says pheasant breast.
No.
I'm not going to put it away until you say breast.
I don't eat body parts.
Fine, say penis.
Well, I was going to say that, but I didn't know who you was going to show.
I'm just going to show everyone. I'm
I
just going to
don't
post it on YouTube.
I don't eat chest and don't eat penis.